Hi. So I had a rough start today. I was in Nuku Iva in a bay called Daniels Bay, and I was taking all kinds of cool drone shots. I had all kinds of footage, and then I made a stupid mistake. I didn't pay attention and I put the drone in the water. So that drone's down at the bottom of the bay at 40 feet in salt water. I almost caught it. I didn't have time. Anyway, that drone's in the water, so I'm trying to let go off of that and enjoy the perfect sailing that I'm getting today. So I'm on my way to Rangiroa. I should be there in 4 days. It's 570 miles from where I'm at, so about 600 miles, about 150 miles per day. Should do it with the big kite flying, as long as I keep it alive and nothing bad happens. I've had a few issues with my my motor. Like the seawater circuit is kind of not functioning well. There's air infiltration in there, and I think to fix the problem I need either a new raw water pump or some new hose. Like, all of this is 10 years old and it's just not reliably pumping water. It does, but when I put too much RPM or when I hit a wave the wrong way, then there's a vibration and there's a bubble creating itself in there, and it just doesn't produce water. So that's not a good thing. I'll have to fix that rather sooner than later. I'll try a few tricks. Like, there's a few things I'll show you on another video how I try to repair that. I think I have maybe a solution. But from here to there, I shouldn't be needing any motoring. So I'm still on the same tank of gas that I left Mexico with, and the tank is still full. So been sailing quite a fair bit. The motor issue is I'll resolve it. It's not a big deal. The motor functions well. It just needs its raw water to cool itself off. Apart from that, I'll try to show you the scenery here. It's just super gorgeous. Let me turn this around. So in the background there, you see the island. It's just some scenery. I can't believe I lost these shots. You know, I have to let go off of it and buy another drone now, but like, just some gorgeous mountains. I came in there late last night at about 10 o'clock, and you kind of drive in the middle of that bay that's in the mountain. It's just a beautiful scenery, but it was kind of impressive yesterday to get in there. Anyway, I got in no problem, and now I'm sailing a good 6.5, 7 knots, and I'll be in Nuku Iva in about 4 days. So I'll talk to you from there.